Simplify the Boolean function f of ABCD is equal to sigma 0, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15. Simplify means we have to find out the reduced SOP. Okay, SOP means sum of product or sum of min times. Then how to draw the K-map. This is a 4 variable K-map because in the question there are 4 variables A, B, C, D. So we have to draw the K-map with 4 variables because we need to represent the numbers 0 to 15 in this K-map. Then first here 0, 0. Then the slanting line below first 2 variables above the slanting line CD. 0, 0, 0, 1. After that 1, 1, 1, 0. Here also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then this 0, 0. How to represent this 0, 0? A bar, B bar. 0, 1 is A bar, B. 1, 1 is A, B. 1, 0 is A, B bar. What is the value of 0, 0? C bar, D bar, because this 0, 0 is for this variable, second last variable C and D. Then 0, 1 means C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Then this number 0, 1, 3, 2. Then what are the next number? 4, 5, 7, 6. 12, 13, 15, 14, then 8, 9, 11, 10. These numbers you should have to write in small size in bottom right corner of each column with pencil. Then next, check the question. This f of ABCD is equal to sigma 0, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15. So in this columns we need to put 1, 0. This is 0. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, then 14, where's 14? Yeah, it's 14 and 15. See, the other columns we can put 0. Then first, what's the thing we need to check first? Is there any octet? What's an octet? 4 ones are adjacent. Check whether there is any octet. In this Karnaugh map, there is no octet because there is no 8 ones are adjacent. Next condition, is there any quad? Quad means 4 ones are adjacent. Is there any quad? Yeah. See this 7, 6, 15, 14. 7, 6, 15, 14 is a quad. Then circle that quad. See, circle this quad. Then reduce the expression of quad 1 is equal to. So can you find out the reduced expression? Check the left side of this quad. A bar B, AB. Which one is changing? A bar is changing to A. So we need to remove that A. So write this B. Okay. In A bar B, A bar is changing to A. So we can remove the variable A. Then the remaining variable B. Write that B here. Then check the top side. CD and CD bar. CD and CD bar. Which variable is changing? D is changing to D bar. So we can remove the variable D. Then the remaining thing C. So the reduced expression of quad is equal to BC. Next, check whether there is any pair. See, this one is a pair. 8, 9 forms a pair. Columns 8 and 9 forms a pair. Then the reduced expression of pair 1 is equal to, how can you find out? First, need to check the left side, that is AB bar. Write that AB bar. Then check the top side. What is in top side? C bar, D bar, C bar, D bar and C bar, D. Which variable is changing? D bar is changing to D. The remaining thing C bar. So the reduced expression of pair 1 is equal to AB bar, C bar. Then check, is there any other pair? See here 1 1 is, this one is not included in any group. This one is not included in this squad and this one is not included in the pair also. So we need to encircle this one. Then check, is there any pair? Yeah, by map rolling, by rolling like this, if you are rolling this K-map like a paper, this one and this one makes a pair. See, you can form like this. This is a pair. That is the column 0 and 8. By map rolling, this 0 and 8 forms a pair. Then find out the reduced expression of pair 2. By map rolling, we got one pair. Then find out the reduced expression of this pair. Find out the left side. Check the left side. A bar, B bar. Here A, B bar. Which variable is changing? A bar is changing to A. The remaining thing B bar. Then the top side C bar, D bar. This is the reduced expression of pair 2. And so the reduced SOP is equal to, we need to sum this, we need to add all these three. Then BC plus A, B bar, C bar plus B bar, C bar, D bar. B bar, C bar, D bar. So the reduced SOP is equal to BC plus AB bar plus C bar plus B bar plus C bar plus, BC plus AB bar, C bar plus B bar, C bar, D bar. This is the reduced SOP. That is the sum of min term. Min term means product. Min term means product. Sum of this product is the SOP. Or sum of min term is SOP.